That would have been horrible. To go all over again. Oh.
Alright, looks like we're
Live. Okay, everybody, welcome back to Surprisingly Geeky. Today we are going to finish Ratchet and Clank, the first one.
for reals this time.
For real this time. I know it's like the third time I've done this level, but I swear this time it's gonna be quick because I did some grinding and what?
Yeah,
what is that?
just look up in the corner.
Look at that!
Oh, yeah. So, since last time you may have remembered we had like 4 bolts. Now this time we have the Tesla coil, we have extra nanotech, we have the Rhino, we have a bunch of gold weapons, and an extra 243,000 bolts. Just because.
I had 400,000. It took me literally half of that to buy the Rhino and the gold. Or not the gold weapons. I also had to find a bunch of gold bolts. And the other ones I was like, I'm not gonna bother getting that.
Yeah, see, finding the gold, getting the gold bolts is probably something that you should have done.
Yeah, probably. Well, I mean,
like,
should have done it as I was grinding.
But
As soon as I got that mathematic. Look, you see how awesomely that went? I just took care of that like nobody's business. I'm gonna just move there. This Tesla coil is fun. Okay, well now we're gonna bring it. What? Oh no, I didn't. Remember how slow it was before you got it? Remember? Using the Visibomb glove thing to slowly take out one at a time. Yeah. Remember? It took us like forever. It took us that whole. Okay, we
it took
spent.
us apparently so long that I thought that it was between 3 different levels.
Seriously. It was the entire last stream session, which was like 3 hours long. Like I said, Don, so good. I just have a fun.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
I'm surprised actually the ammo for the Rhino is
I probably figured that you had enough money to buy it, so sucked enough money to use it.
Oh, no, I don't have to.
Yeah, what the fuck is that?
That's strange.
Yeah, that was fine.
Yes.
But, there might have even been like a transport accident in the level.
Strange track? Oh.
It might have been. I'm not sure. But
Well,
I
I
would.
kind of wanted to show this. I hope I don't look at I may have wanted to see how long it was going to take. And didn't realize that he was already dead.
This is gonna be a great finale episode.
Yeah. Okay, well, just hope that. I mean, all of these guys are so alive. I mean, kind of. I did still.
Before you killed him again. Well, and look at all that nanotech.
I know, I wasn't expecting that.
I was watching streams or episodes, it would feel like the way that you felt about the second season of Young Justice.
Everything
Or
good
some-
happened off screen.
Yeah.
Oh shit, that's open too. Oh, now I feel bad. Like I said, guys, this is gonna be short. Honestly, I even went back and checked to make sure that the missions. See? Save Ratchet Planet. So I'm assuming that I didn't, ruin everything.
Whoa.
Oh!
Well, you got that.
Does that count?
Um,
Broken! That's not fair. That's not fair! You're changing it! I didn't die. The game killed me. There's a difference. There is a difference. I didn't know there was a difference. It took me like all afternoon to do it. Yeah, I got them. Check it.
40. There's 20 that remain.
If you do a new game plus, it'll allow you but you need to go first. I should have done that and then replayed the entire game.
And then come back
Got
to this point. Well, I mean, if we get to where Dredd is supposed to be, if he's already dead, that may very well happen.
Well, I'm not gonna do that. I don't have to do that much damage. Oh, that was fun. Did you see that? Alright, it happened here. Alright.
Okay, just like that.
Uh-oh. That can't Nope. Fine equals not good. Oh! Look, there he is!
Yay!
Not dead! Not dead! Yay! Alright.
Alright, no, don't make him dead.
Let's go make him dead. It's gonna be real quick.
I got some great
I'm not even
bargains
gonna
for
use
you
my
today.
full ammo here.
Look at that.
It took like 2 and a fraction hits. Or less from one hit. Funny enough though, when I did my test to see how long this was gonna take, I still 5 minutes. That wasn't my fault.
Yeah,
Yeah, the game glitched out and like the game's moving towards the hole. Like when you blast the rock polygon and stuff, it just slid off.
Let's just wait.
Yeah, we're gonna. Hey.
Don't even need it this time.
Don't even need what?
Banana thing.
No, I don't. There's a lot of things that should go fixed in this game. Ratchet's a little bit faster, and your weapons level up, which is cool. It's nice to get stronger.
So it has come to this.
And by
Once
the
I step on
third
this
game,
ignition
you no
switch,
longer
a
have to
countdown
pay
will
people
commence.
all of your
The
bolts
end
for your
of which
information.
signals the destruction of your pitiful
I mean,
world.
you still have to
There must
grind
be another way to make
sometimes
a
for your
home for your
bolts, but it's
people.
not like an
You
impossible
think that's what this is
thing.
about? Who do you think polluted our last
It's like
world?
reasonable.
I did. This is about one thing and one thing only. Cash.
I look forward to the
and
next one
lots
too.
of
I
it.
haven't played it in a long time.
You see, I've been paid for every square inch of my new world. Once the inhabitants move in, I will begin polluting this world as well. Then the whole thing starts
Yeah,
all
it was very
over
good.
again.
Homemade onion soup
Brilliant.
with a homemade
Why,
bread.
you evil little...
Especially
Save
since
it,
onions
Clank.
was literally
We have to
the
stop that
only
timer.
food we had in the house.
Power slam the button to terminate the countdown. To power slam, jump
We have
and
one.
press the R.
Seriously, guys, my crazy food. What are you doing with it? There's nothing. Ah! Yeah. All for the lover. Okay, now he's gonna fucking kill me. Cause there. That was it. Right there. Oh. What happened?
No idea.
That was my question.
Yeah, that's what it seems like.
Ratchet? What's up? You know, this time I am thinking what you're thinking.
Guess so. This is the button that Ratchet uses.
And now
His planet that he was making. What? So there were people living in there.
This can't be good. Phew, that was close. Clank, You can pull us up now.
The servos in my arm appear to be broken.
Broken? As in, fall to our deaths broken?
Yes.
That was close. Thanks.
My arm appears to be badly damaged.
Ah, you'll be all right.
Oh, you look so sad.
Hey, Tin Can! Where do you think you're going? We, still need to fix that arm.
Yay. Happiness all around.
And there you have it.
There we go.
The first game.
We did it. We finished it. Took a long time, but did it. Did it.
Good job.
Alright. Alright, so next time, guys, and surprisingly geeky, a whole new Ratchet and Clank game.
Yeah.
What? We're gonna play more. Bye. I mean,
Bye.
bye. Bye.